In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your video into a vintage VHS effect video. Hey yo, I'm Hassan from the Cool Kids Creative Lab. Welcome to my channel. Here I teach you how to be more creative. Make sure to watch till the end to learn something new. Okay, let's dive into the Adobe Premiere. Add your clip to the timeline panel. Go to Effect Control and change Overlay to Linear Dodge. Then go to Effect and search for RGB. Then click on Color Balance RGB. Drag it to your clip. Duplicate the clip 2 times by holding Ctrl and dragging it up. Go to Effect Control, put the red to 100 and the rest to 0. Then select the next clip and put the blue to 100 and the rest to 0. And select the last one and put the green to 100 and the rest to 0. Select the first clip and move it to the left slightly. And put the scale to 101. And select the last clip and move it down a little bit. And put the scale to 101. We are done with this section. Let's make a new adjustment layer. Drag it to the top of the clips and pull it to the right till the end of the clip. Then go to the effect panel and search for the wave warp. Drag it to the adjustment layer. Then go to the effect control panel. Change the wave type to square. Keep the height the same. Change the wave width to 1000. Direction to 0, wave speed to -0.1, change the pinning to all edges. So yeah, here we have a cool glitch line. Now let's add some noise to it. Let's go to Effect and search for noise. Drag it to your clip. Between 10 to 20 is fine, as you like. So here is the cool part that I have never seen in any other YouTube videos. Change the workspace to color. Go to Limit Color. Select curves. Drag shadow slightly to up to make it cool VHS type. To make it more VHS vibe, download the free VHS overlay, that's the link in the description, and add to the top of the clip. And change the overlay mode to linear dodge. Change the scale to fit the screen and change the opacity. Here I'm using 2 layers, and for the second one is little vintage pixels. Change the overlay and opacity as it fits the video. I think it's too much is going on the video, so I chop it up a little bit and duplicate it to the end of the clip, as you see here. And we are done for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.